Click subscribe for update video every day.
KEF Audio is best known for its diverse lineup of hi-fi speakers and home theater systems. However, like any savvy speaker designer, KEF has recently utilized its 4 decades or so of audio experience to make its play in the lucrative game of hi-fi headphones. The product of its efforts is its new M series, wading into the crowded waters of modern headphone design with caution and intent. KEF's M series includes just 2 offerings: the M200 in-ears and the M500 on-ears. $300. The flagship M500 are crafted with sleek lines of aluminum and rich leather accents, sidestepping the gaudy celebrity headphone crowd to match the minimalist aesthetic of similar offerings from Harman Kardon, Bowers & Wilkins, and others. After prying them away from a flock of DT staffers who found themselves powerless against their charms, we spent some quality time with the M500 to find out how KEF's flavor of hi-fi elegance matched up, as we've come to expect from today's superb class of hi-fi cans. The M500 come in a premium black box with a sheath of cardboard around the exterior donning handsome portraits of the phone's outer and inner workings. Pulling back the ribbon of the main box, we exposed a hard-shell black case within, nestled in a surprisingly flimsy layer of plastic. As we opened a half-moon case, we got our first glimpse of the M500, collapsed in on themselves in a tidy bundle. Expanding the ear cups gave off a solid click and revealed thick cuts of brushed aluminum, accented with a smooth layer of black leather around the headband and ovular earpieces. Underscoring today's thirst for minimalism, KEF kept its moniker restricted to 2 graphite logos painted at the ends of the headband. Inside the case was a collection of accessories including a removable flat cable with an iOS inline control microphone, a flat standard cable, and both a 1/4-inch and airline adapter, each with gold-plated jacks. It's not much of a stretch to assert the KEF M500 sound good, even before an evaluation. With KEF's history, we were pretty sure that the company wouldn't come to market with a half-baked design. But aside from sound quality, one of the traits that made the chic little M500 such a hit around the office was the stellar ergonomics of the design. The second you put these phones on, you can just tell they